The crypto gaming industry is currently worth over $300 billion as it allows real-world trading of NFT tokens. There are even options to generate NFT tokens by playing games. So, no wonder that this crypto gaming industry has become an attractive place for gamers and developers around the globe alongside investors. However, it is critical to understand how these games work and how you can make real cash by spending hours on these platforms. This video covers the top 5 play-to-earn games in the blockchain industry alongside a short brief of play-to-earn games. Number 1. Plant vs. Undead. Plant vs. Undead has a combat element as you have to defend your farm and hence your precious plants, but this is by no means the game's primary purpose. Instead, you'll find yourself harvesting seeds, maintaining your farm, and carrying out quests more than anything else. It is a quite versatile game with a farm mode that allows users to engage with opportunities to earn light energy and lean to the native token of this platform, the PVU token. When a user controls in-game assets and NFTs, there are ways to make money from this platform by playing games, which makes it a play-to-earn game. Players can produce and manage their farms in this game through in-game currency light energy, LE. When you have LE tokens, you can convert them to PVU tokens and many DEX platforms, including BKEX, Gate.io, LBank, Who, and XT.com, accept PVU tokens currently to exchange. Moreover, users can sell NFT plants to the marketplace. Common NFT plants can sell for 10 PVU, and rare plants prices can go up to 100 PVU. This game currently runs on BSC. This video is sponsored by BlockFi. BlockFi is an exchange where you can trade cryptocurrency. Apart from earning interest on your crypto, you can take out loans as well. Moreover, it allows you to earn 8% annually on your crypto reserves, which is 8 times the best savings account out there. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now by clicking the link in the description. Okay, let's continue with our video. Number 2. Axey Infinity. It is a blockchain-based gaming and trading platform. It was the first Ethereum-based NFT game to hit the $1 billion mark in August 2021. Sky Mavis, a Vietnamese company, is the creator of this game and is currently the most popular NFT game with more than 1 million users worldwide. Axey Infinity is inspired by other popular games like Tamagotchi and Pokemon. This platform contains more than 500 body parts, including plant, bird, beast, reptile parts, aquatic, and bug. You can build a team of creatures called Axes through arena mode and use them to battle. Then, the adventure mode enables using these creatures to fight enemies. Axes themselves can also sell for a lot of money and have their own marketplace in this sense. Axey Infinity tokens, AXS, and Smooth Love Potion, SLP, are 2 crypto coins of this platform. Any user requires both tokens to breed an Axey and needs at least 2 Axes to do that. The game's PvP leaderboard enables users to get AXS, whereas winning arena matches and completing adventure mode levels allow earning SLP tokens. Axey Infinity has a complex ecosystem and economy, so it'll probably take a few hours playing it to truly understand how everything works. Number 3. Gods Unchained. In Gods Unchained, players can fight for glory in competitive arenas, win and collect cards by playing matches, buy and sell cards within the in-game marketplace, and build a perfect deck to top leaderboards. Players fight using core cards, Genesis cards, and a deck of cards. Players can earn core cards while playing, and if players want to skip grinding, they can buy another pack of cards. Gods Unchained uses Immutable X and runs on the Ethereum blockchain network. This platform is capable of 9,000 TPS and enables dApps peer-to-peer trading without fees. You can buy or sell all card offerings in the Immutable X marketplace that uses Ethereum as currency. Users need to register to play games, and this platform provides a free set of cards for new users to start. Number 4. Decentraland. It is a 3D VR crypto gaming platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain. In this platform, players can explore lands and create content based on their preferences and unique avatars with marvelous experiences. Users can buy plots of land that they can navigate, build upon, and monetize. Through a 3D-based experience, Decentraland offers an immersive experience for users, developers, and even investors as well. The virtual world launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their parcels of land, including interactive games, sprawling 3D scenes, and a variety of other interactive experiences. Users can use mana tokens for pleasurable social activities with this platform, alongside buying and selling in-game items. As the world is getting closer to the metaverse, it has become an attractive platform for users worldwide. Number 5. Gala Games. Gala Games is a blockchain-based crypto gaming platform that enables various crypto games. There are 5 play-to-earn games under this gaming platform: Spider Tank, Townstar, Miranda's, Echoes of Empires, and Fortified. Players get to truly own what they win in Gala Games. If you earn or win a magical sword on the Gala Game platform, it is yours. Your items and any inherited status is a verifiable asset on the blockchain you can trade to another person or play with in-game. The Gala coin is a native token of this platform, an ERC20 token that users can use within the ecosystem and in-game transactions. Users are not only trading Gala tokens in the Gala Games NFT marketplace, they can also collect and sell in-game items by numerous other cryptocurrencies at a set price depending on attributes and rareness. Play-to-earn games are the hottest trend in the blockchain industry. Using various NFT assets, users can control the game more than ever before. The opportunities to earn tokens by playing or directly creating NFT make this sector more attractive, as users can earn money besides entertainment or developing skills. That is all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit that big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.